Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of Trading Basics, and in this video I'm going to show you how can you log out of your Coinbase account in PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open any of your browser into your computer, and after opening the browser, just simply open the site for coinbase.com into your browser. And after opening the Coinbase, if you have already logged in your account, this home page will be loaded. After coming into this tab, you just simply have to tap into your profile icon into the top right. From there, after tapping, you will get so many options. You just simply have to scroll down a bit and you will get this sign out button into here. In order to log out, just simply click into this sign out button into here, and then your account will successfully be logged out from your Coinbase. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.